Let's talk about how you can back up your text messages to Google Drive. Let's get into it. There are more ways how you can do this as usual, but the one which I like to use is a dedicated application which is called SMS Backup and Restore. This is what it's called. If you look it up inside of the Google Play Store, you can literally just type that in and you'll be able to find an application which looks like this. It has 10 million plus downloads and it is okay. You can go ahead and open it up and it will ask you to give it permissions to access your call logs and messages. So you have to give that. And then you'll get to this page where you can basically just set up a backup. You can then include both calls and messages, but let's say I'm going to turn off the calls, click on the next, and then you get to pick where exactly the backup will be stored. And in our case, we want to save it to Google Drive, so you can enable that. Then you can log in, or you have to log in with one of your existing Google accounts. So if you already use Drive on your phone, you will see the email right there, and you can just pick that and just log in like that, and your backup will be actually stored or uploaded to that particular Google Drive account. So yes, you have to give it one more permission for the app to write something on Google Drive, but then when you do, you can basically click on save and the backup will proceed and all of your messages will be saved there. So that's basically how it works. Of course, this isn't the only app which can get this job done. There are some other applications which I've even shown you before in my videos, but this one works, so I would just recommend you to get this. But let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.